What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today got a new Smith & Wesson to show you guys. And there she is, Smith & Wesson model 629 Compensated Hunter. It's a 44 Magnum 6-round cylinder. It's got a compensated muzzle, orange blade in the front, white notch in the rear. Has a mount for if you want to put your optic on there, scope, whatever you want to do. It's got the stupid lock on it, whatever, doesn't bother me that much. These are actually VZ grips. I did not like the ones that came with it. They're rattly. I already sent those back to Smith & Wesson for a replacement. I did shoot the first 6 rounds off camera. I had to, experience that for myself. So we're going to load it up and we're going to shoot the next 6. Let's check it out. Locked and loaded. This is what we're shooting today. Winchester white box, 44 mag, 240 grain, jacketed soft point. For deer and black bear. So, should pack quite a kick. Alright, let's shoot this thing. As always, one-handed for you guys. Gotta be able to record, shoot at the same time. I do not have a tripod, so one-man show. Here we go. Do the first shot, single action. God damn. Alright, try double action here. Man, that thing's got a kick. Should have one left. And there we go, guys. What do you think? I love it. Ammo is extremely expensive, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.